Well, this entire video was filmed a couple of days before Ramadan, and it's gonna be up on the second or the third day. So, this is basically me trying to get things in place again. I gave this bookcase a makeover in a previous video, so if you feel good and satisfied watching such videos, because I tend to feel so, I'll link it in the description below. My bookcase in that video looked horrific, so I can't call this cute little mess a mess, or tidying a mess, because I'm actually just putting things back in place or in their normal places. Anyway, when you watch that video, you'll see what I mean. So back to Ramadan, or shall I pronounce it Ramadan? I like Ramadan more because I was born and raised in the Gulf region, so Ramadan is what I grew up hearing. I know people here are gonna be like, what's wrong with her? Because they feel weird about literally everything that is new to them. But I love and absolutely miss and feel super nostalgic to Ramadan in the Gulf area. They have this thing which they call جميع. It's like a celebration. It takes place in the middle of the holy month. Kids go out, wearing special costumes, basically traditional clothes. They walk in groups, asking for candies and treats, singing a special song. It's really fun, and it's kind of similar to trick or treating, which kids do during Halloween, but this is the Muslim version of Halloween, and it's completely not scary, not even for a bit. I wanted to put up some Ramadan/Ramadan decoration in my room. So I have this Ramadan decoration box I got from Egypt last year, and I couldn't use it last year because I was away, but they're super handy now. They have these beautiful stars and crescents and gorgeous lanterns in different sizes, shapes, and colors. I think this box is a good investment because I can reuse all of them every year without getting bored looking at them because they're so pretty. So I added up these cute pennants and a little lantern in the middle, just to get my dear bookcase in the vibe. is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the vibe, and may we all have a blessed, full of health, goodness, and delicious food, of course, Ramadan. Thank you for your time.